Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have a game changer in home security, the SimpliSafe 12-piece wireless home security system. In this video, we'll dive deep into its features and why it's considered the best self-monitored home security system available. Let's get started. SimpliSafe is a name that's been making waves in the home security industry, and for good reason. Their 12-piece wireless home security system combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, giving you the peace of mind you deserve.
Now, let's take a closer look at some of the key features that make SimpliSafe stand out from the competition.
SimpliSafe is designed for DIY installation. Just plug in the base station, place your sensors, and you're ready to go. No need for professional installation or complicated setups. While it's a self-monitored system, SimpliSafe offers optional 24/7 professional monitoring with police, fire, and medical dispatch starting at just 60 cents a day. You have the flexibility to choose the level of monitoring that suits your needs. SimpliSafe uses pioneering signal burst technology with a range of up to 1,000 feet, ensuring that even larger homes are fully covered without the need for extenders. The included SimpliCam security camera allows you to keep an eye on your home from anywhere using your phone, tablet, or computer. It features a built-in stainless steel shutter for complete privacy control, with motion sensors that can detect movement within 30 feet and a 90-degree field of vision. They work great with pets under 50 pounds, providing comprehensive coverage, especially when strategically placed.
SimpliSafe doesn't compromise on reliability.
It comes with up to 24 hours of battery backup and dual Wi-Fi and cellular connections to keep your home secure, even during power outages. You can easily customize your SimpliSafe security system by adding additional sensors to provide whole home protection, accommodating up to 100 sensors. Many users have praised its easy installation, saving both time and money. The motion sensors have been appreciated for their accuracy and the ability to work alongside pets.
SimpliSafe's customer support has received positive feedback, ensuring users have assistance when needed.
In conclusion, the SimpliSafe 12-piece wireless home security system offers a comprehensive and user-friendly solution for securing your home. With its easy DIY setup, optional professional monitoring, and advanced features like motion sensors and the SimpliCam security camera, it's no wonder why this system is considered the best self-monitored home security option on the market. If you're looking to protect your home and loved ones, consider SimpliSafe. We've provided a link in the description below for you to check out the latest deals and get started with your home security journey. That wraps up our review of the SimpliSafe 12-piece wireless home security system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.